Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to my channel Baby Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet skirts ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. These crochet skirts designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these unique and decent articles. These articles totally handmade. These beautiful articles are very attractive, especially for women. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of crochet skirts. You can design your crochet skirts with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet skirts collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet skirts. You know guys, crochet articles represent our cultural beauty. You can see more beautiful and unique designs from my channel. All these articles are washable and durable. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. If you all love these articles, see you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.